Hello, myself Ambrish. I'm computer science first year. Myself Ambrish. I'm studying computer science in BITS Pilani first year. I made a project for Apogee this year. It's in the communication and networking systems. Basically, the idea is to switch on a remote computer which is in a shutdown mode using a data packet which is sent through the LAN. The idea is to send a data packet to the broadcast address to the computer. Once the idea is received on the packet is received on the broadcast address, the network card will get it. The network card has a feature called wake on LAN. What the wake on LAN does is it waits for a data packet having the MAC address of the NIC. Once it gets the data packet, it will set the reset signal to the motherboard and will start the computer. Once the computer starts, the operating system will boot. And once the operating system boots, I have written a bash file which will start a VNC server on the operating system, and the person who has sent the data packet, who is in his office or somewhere remotely, he can connect to the server and have the full access of the home computer. For this, actually, in the middle there were some security concerns, because once the operating system boots, a person has to log in to start this service. But once he logs in, everybody in the LAN, the operating system, the user has logged in, so the ports will be active, and some ports will be open and somebody can telnet inside or something. So there were some security concerns. We had to close all the ports and start the firewall once the operating system boots. And then the VNC server was started, and it requires an authentication so that the remote user can access the home computer. And the authentication is a two-way. The user can just view the thing which is going on. Otherwise, he can also access the system. Then suppose in this case, suppose somebody is working in a remote computer and somebody else needs to just see what he's doing so that he can learn by watching it. Then he can just log in using the view-only password, which will not give him any control over the remote computer, but will just allow him to watch what is going on the desktop. So the two-way password thing helped in either taking control or just access. Thank you.
What open source software do you use?
I use Fedora, and I use Firefox VLC.
Okay, and that is open source rock?
Because it gives us the ability to customize things. Suppose there's a software and it's not the way I want it to work, and I can always get the code and modify it the way I want and make it work the way I want. That's not available with closed source because I can't get the source obviously. Thank you.